The Delta variant now. It's become the dominant strain of COVID-19 here in California. Here's how fast it has spread. In May, 5.6% of cases in California were identified as Delta. By June, a tremendous jump up to 35% of all cases in the state.
Well, here in the Bay Area, public health leaders are bracing for a potential surge in COVID cases following 4th of July holiday. KPIX5's Devin Fehely on what that might look like.
This 4th of July holiday was meant to mark our independence from the virus, and many people took it as an opportunity to celebrate and to socialize with a wider group of people than perhaps they had in the past. Now, what will that ultimately mean? Infectious disease experts say it may take a few weeks to find out. This year's 4th of July was supposed to mark our independence from the virus, freeing us to celebrate and socialize with a wider circle of family and friends.
We're from El Centro, California, which is about 2 hours east of San Diego, about a 10-hour drive.
Ivan Romero and his family are traveling, but cautiously, not ready to drop the safeguards that protected them during the pandemic.
We're using our masks, and until our children are able to get vaccinated as well.
Case numbers have begun to creep up slightly since the state reopened June 15th. Santa Clara County at the time was averaging 27 cases a day. That's jumped to 48 cases per day by July 3rd. That might not seem like much, but it's actually a 78% increase. Add to that the emergence of the Delta variant, and public health officials are concerned.
It's undoubtedly the case that we will see an increase in cases. The writing's on the wall. I also believe on the other side that we won't see a terrible increase in hospitalizations.
We still found a number of people wearing masks outdoors in public, even though it's not required. A transitional time, they say, between the pandemic and whatever comes next.
Being in an indoor place to eat, which we hadn't done, at one point you'd sit there and you'd go, what am I doing here?
Public health officials say fully vaccinated people have little to worry about, even with the Delta variant. But several people we spoke with say they will continue to wear a mask, if only to protect the unvaccinated they might encounter.
I could still have it with vaccination. It just means my condition is better, and I could still pass it on to other people. And if I was the cause of somebody dying because of COVID, that would be horrible.
Public health officials say it's almost a given that we will see an increase after the 4th of July. The bigger question, they say, is how big is the spike and how fast does it come on? Right now, they say they're reasonably confident that the healthcare system as a whole will be able to handle the uptick in cases. In San Jose, Devin Fehely, KPIX5.
Currently, Santa Clara County only has 28